Okay guys, gonna unbox my parts here for my order from Rock Auto. It's gonna be for some repairs on my 2008 Mini Cooper. The camera lady can come in a little closer. Got some brake pads. Got some more brake pads. Dynamic Friction Company. Got some rotors. What do we got here? This looks like, let's see what this is here. Oh, that's my lens. This is the fender lens. That's broken. Got a valve cover gasket. Looks like this has been open. Looks probably gets opened at customs. This looks like a crankshaft seal. This is a brake pad sensor, wear sensor. Got hardware for the brake pads. I got a oil filter housing gasket. More brake hardware. Another brake pad wear sensor. And finally, 2 more rotors. Alright guys, that's it.